Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video, on this occasion presenting MATIC MOON. Let's explain this project, which starts pretty soon, as you can see in this final countdown, exactly the Sunday 8th at 5 p.m. UTC time zone, so save the date. You can also find all the related links that we are commenting down below this video, and remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own research as always before investing on this project or others. Well, as they mentioned here, MATIC MOON is a long-lasting MATIC staking protocol. So first of all, it is very important that you change the network in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to the MATIC one in order to operate with MATIC in this platform. So basically, MATIC MOON is a locked and unlocked staking rewards pool with a variable interest rate, and it all depends on the plan that you choose, as we will see later. So you can earn from an 6.8% daily up to a 31.1% daily. And it is very important to understand that in this case, in kind of projects, the funds deposited are transferred into the plans and cannot be unstaked. You can only withdraw your earnings at any time if you choose an unlocked plan, as they mentioned here, or at the end of a locked period if you choose a locked plan. And every deposit has a base tax of 4% for marketing to spread it and to ensure contract longevity, and only a 2% for the developer. So a total of a 6% when depositing the money. And as they highlight here, there are some restrictions that we have to take into account, which are claiming can be done only every 8 hours and with a maximum amount of 1,300 MATICs. The minimum deposit to start earning money is 10 MATICs. And also it is very important to understand this insurance, that essentially it's a mechanism that triggers when the contract balance goes below a 26%, its all-time high. This is to ensure that if the project ever slows down, can reward last investors in the game to replenish the contract funds if needed. This insurance fund receives an 8% of all the WIF. Okay, and as for the lottery, or the lotto as they write here, it is an innovative and simple reward mechanism, and basically there is a 10-time minute countdown which starts from the last deposit, and if there are no new deposit in those minutes, then the last deposit address wins. So simple. And 2% of all the user deposits goes into this lotto pool. And also you can take a look to this YouTube contest if you wanna review and spread this project in order to earn great prizes, as they mention here, depending on the contract balance achieved. Well, let's scroll down to explain now how to invest in this project. So in this interface, we'll see different figures related to the project and to our own investment. And here in this part is where you can take your MATICs. So we have to bear in mind that these plans range from 4 days, which is the minimum period, to the largest period, which is 44 days. And if we lock the plan, we will receive an extra 1% daily. As you can notice here, right now we've got a 6.8% daily, and now it is increased to a 7.8%. Okay, so feel free to make some simulations. For instance, we are gonna do with a shorter period here, 4 days, and with the lock plan we will receive the maximum amount of return daily, which is a 31.1%. So it is a total in the 4 days period of 124.4%. So with an initial investment of 1,000 MATICs, we will receive 1,244 MATICs. But we have to take into account that an 80% goes to the insurance funds, as we have explained before. This is a tax here, and also, which is amazing from my point of view, there is another 8% of reinvestment, which also allows the contract to last longer and increases gains. So there is a total of 16% of taxes which will be applied when withdrawing, but the half will be reinvested. So somehow you will receive at first 1045 MATICs with an initial investment of 1000 MATICs in only 4 days, but then you will have an 8% of this amount reinvested, so you will receive more after another period. And here we can see, as we have mentioned before, the deposit button, also the claim and the user deposits. And if we check the roadmap, the most interesting striking point is that there is going to be a token airdrop, which is foreseen for the 17th of June. And finally, it is also good to point out that this type of contracts will work very well when the community follows the 6-1 strategy. This means compounding your earnings of 6 days and withdrawing your earnings of 1 day. But remember the trading fees taken upon all these deposits and withdrawals when following your strategy. And that's all. Well, here you can see also the buttons to the social media, and they've been audited by Hayes Crypto and also by Gaudit. And now that's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment this video, and save the date of launch this Sunday 8th at 5 p.m. UTC time zone. See you in the next video. Thanks.